Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm discussing the myths about arthritis. Stick around to the end to get all the facts. Let's get started. There are so many myths out there when it comes to arthritis, like how to heal and cope with it, and what causes it. The actual list of arthritis myths could go on for quite a long time. A myth is kind of like an opinion that has a lot of popularity. There could be some truth to it, and then again, the whole myth could be bupkis. Myths are not based in fact and spread quickly. That's the mystery of it all, and today we're going to be taking a look into some of the most strange and common myths circulating around arthritis. What are some of the myths circulating around arthritis? Popping your knuckles will cause arthritis is probably one of the most common myths out there relating to arthritis. Popping your knuckles will not lead to arthritis. You may receive annoyed looks from others, though. How to get rid of arthritis in fingers, hands, and elsewhere, you ask? You can't get rid of it, but you can treat it effectively with ginger. Ginger tea is very good, and with turmeric capsules. It's a leading myth that only elderly people will get arthritis, which is absolutely incorrect. There have been accounts of teenagers developing various forms of arthritis. Remember, a child can be born with crippling arthritis. Mine set in my 20s. Some forms of arthritis are hereditary and cannot be reversed, although it is common for women aged 50 or more to develop arthritis, so this group will be placed at a higher risk. It's been said that arthritis cannot be prevented. That is false. There are things a person can do to prevent the severity of developing various forms of arthritis. Such activities include maintaining a healthy diet, exercising on a regular basis, wearing the appropriate gear during sporting activities, and not smoking. We must remember that we only get one set of bones throughout our lives, so we need to take proper care of what we have in order to preserve our bones as much as possible. It has also been said that once a person has arthritis, there isn't a lot you can do about it, and once again, that is false. Why? Well, keep in mind that while there isn't a cure for arthritis just yet, there are a lot of medications, herbal supplements, and natural healing practices that a person can use to better cope with and deal with the pain of arthritis. Some people will think that their diet has nothing to do with arthritis, but in fact it does. Did you know that people who have arthritis are more likely to develop diabetes? This is why obtaining a proper diet is essential to preventing the severity of arthritis. Fish oil and omega-3 fatty acids are vital to your diet because these work in the body to reduce inflammation throughout the joints and muscles. Hello again. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a like. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my new videos. If you'd like my free report, Alternative Medicines and Therapies, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.